you got to decide where you're gonna call it. So let's say you've got a 6 month summer.
Wow, that would be really.
Whereas on the Scottish criteria, but on that Southern England criteria, in Scotland you might strip running.
We have a table booked for 1 o'clock for 2 people. I didn't realise it's so vast inside.
So what are we going to get then?
I think let's get some brunch.
Pictures, videos, Factories, I will pass.
Great, thank you.
Can I get for you anything else?
No, I think we're cool. Thank you.
Sorry.
If it's spicy, we can swap because mine doesn't have anything. Never come here because this is a beer bar.
I don't know. Too small? When they went out on Friday, they were consciously what my brain was thinking. Just sort of.
Oye, mira eso, vamos. Mira.
See a lot of tropical fruits that I'm familiar with. Yeah. So in 20 years' time, even if they're not super dramatic.
There might be some sort of minimal sweet.
How's the asparagus? It's quite sweet, isn't it?
No, right.
It's just here. Hello, table for two, please. Yes, you can sit anywhere you want. Thank you.
There's no European one. Highest one spoken at home is Chinese.
Yep, great, thank you. Looks delicious. Do you see all the colours? The different things.
To the coast or something.
All right.
Do you think these have
The garden centre and the aquarium. It's not flowing very fast. Right here, I guess we can come in this way. Found any benches? Just went there to have a look. Never realised that we've got such an amazing garden centre near us. Look at all these equipment, those barbecue kits.
How much has changed since 11 years since I
Yeah.
started living here?
Maybe it's all the way through there. I actually want to have a look at these. Because I've always wanted something like that. Like a terracotta one. Wow, look at all this.
If you get the angle, if you look at it. Even though we're quite close to Morden,
Yeah.
it's remarkably nice here. Yeah, it's the same.
Centuries. This is the story of England.